Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching this video right now around the world. I want to say you are welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Forex with God. Yes, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, I would advise you subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell icon so that you will not miss any video. This is my Forex journey and this is my second video on this channel. So today's date, as at the time of recording this message, is 19th February 2021. And like I said, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would also advise you watch the first video in this channel so that you will better understand what we are discussing here or what this channel is all about, because without watching that first video you will not understand quite well the aim for this channel. So I advise you watch the first video. I'm going to link the video in the description below, and I will advise you watch that video before you watch this. So this is the second video on this channel, and today's date is 19th February 2021. I'm currently in Lagos State, Nigeria. Like I said, I am a serving corps member in Lagos State, Nigeria. So I'm going to put you guys through on what I did this past week, the second week of my Forex journey. In this video, I'm going to share with you all I did this week, the training I went through and everything, so that you could better understand my journey for this week. Like I said, this is my Forex journey and you are welcome to my channel. So this particular week was a hectic week for me. I will not lie to you at all, because currently in the particular state I am in right now, traffic is one of the issues I am facing in this state. It's not easy. For most persons who stay in Lagos State or who have stayed in Lagos State, Nigeria, you will know what I'm talking about. The traffic situation here is not friendly at all. Just imagine leaving the house very early in the morning, as early as 5:30 a.m., getting to your workplace by 8:30 a.m. and wow, it's so tiring. I have to use that word. But notwithstanding, the aim of this channel, the aim for this channel is to walk you through my Forex journey. I'm hoping that you are really doing something with regards to your skill, whether it's Forex, whether it's any other skills you are learning. I hope you are doing something, and I hope you are having a progress report. You are telling yourself that this is what I've achieved in the previous week, this is what I'm achieving this week. Before I move further, I want to say something quite well, please. One, I am not pushing this channel for the now. Like I said in my first video, I am just uploading videos on this channel. I'm not doing any form of promotion. I'm just waiting for the YouTube algorithm to push this video, because promotion is not really the aim for this channel. I just want a place where I could document my journey, and probably in the near future people could come and watch and probably get to learn one or two things. So none of my videos may be the best. I may not be so good with the whole English and all that, but I will try my best to be as fluent as possible. I may not be so good with the explanation, or I may not have a particular pattern I am following, because I am not really investing time currently into that. I am just trying to walk you through my Forex journey, and I just hope you understand the point. So let's get right into what I did this week. So this was my Forex study for the week, and you can see, like I said, this is week 2. So this is my Forex study for the week, and I'm going to walk you through what I did. So basically, I went through my first training on the 16th of February 2021, which was on the Monday. Now let me tell you the pattern and the way I'm doing this. Now, like I said, I am currently serving in Lagos State, and it's not really easy for me, because every day I have to resume at my PPA. Today being a Friday, I am currently off work. That is why I'm able to record this video. But every day during the week I have to resume at a PPA, and when I am there, PPA stands for place of primary assignment, where I'm currently serving. So as I'm there, I cannot really concentrate so much on learning. So what I do, I take advantage of the time frame I use to get to work. What do I mean? Like I told you before, I leave the house at about 5:30 and I get to work at about 8:30 or so. So because of the distance, and I follow the staff bus of my company. So what I do is that when I'm in the staff bus, I take out time to learn. I take out time to study. I use that opportunity to study because why I told you guys in the first video that you have to be disciplined. You have to set out your goals, and your goals have to be actionable. You must try all means to be disciplined. So just imagine I am in the staff bus when I could just be resting or just be sitting down and just watching. I just decided, okay, let me make good use of my time. So I decided to study because I do get home very late. Even when I close from work by 4 o'clock, by 4 p.m. in the evening, I get home at about 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So it's really very hectic for me, and I have to wake up early the next day. But that should not be an excuse. I have to study because why? The future, I know my goals, I know why I'm doing this, and I know, like I said, I'm going to tell you guys in a video why I decided to venture into forex trading. So I'm going to do a video about that. That's why I said you should watch the first video if you have not watched it. It will give you a better idea on everything I have discussed before now. So let's get right in. So forex study week 2. So I went through a beginner's guide to forex trading. Let me use that context. I went through a beginner's guide to forex trading because the forex course I have, or the forex course I am going to start learning with, was sent to me by a friend. I have bought courses in the past. I have had mentors in the past, but like I found out something that, let me tell you the truth, to be honest with you, every decision starts with you. You are the person that will decide whether you want to do something or not. It's not about having a motivational speaker. It's not about having a mentor. It's about you. What do you want? Are you currently okay with the particular place you are in? Are you currently okay with that particular place, or you want to move a step further? So you have to really understand and know why you need to do something. It's very, very important. It's very crucial you understand that. So like I said, I had to go through a beginner's guide to forex trading because I have before now, I have basic knowledge of forex. But I just wanted to do a refresher training once more. And like I wrote down here, I said studying a concept more than once helps you grasp or understand it better. And it's the truth. When you pick up a book and you study it over and over again, you are able to understand it better. Just take for example now, as I'm putting you guys through this, what I have summarized or what I have written down here, I am going to be learning again. It's the truth, and it's going to stick much more better in my head. So it's the truth. So that is one thing I did. So I just did a summary, and there's a particular guy I subscribed to, Samuel Morton. Wow, that guy's channel is really good. So I just did a brush up, a beginner's guide to forex trading. I brushed up, I just watched his 3 videos, and I was able to come up with this report. I also had some tips from the trading channel. There's a channel called the Trading Channel on YouTube too. So from there I was able to get 1 or 2 things, and already I have a background knowledge once again on forex, because the course that was sent to me by my friend, that's what I was trying to say, the course that was sent to me by my friend, currently my friend, his name is Ivin, Irovine. Currently that guy is good in forex trading, so good currently, and I knew when he started. So he's currently so good in forex trading. The way the guy looks at the chart now is so different than any other thing you will ever imagine. So he sent me the courses that he used. That's why most times it's good that you have some kind of friends that you can lean on, some kind of friends that can put you through some things. Well, I would have broken up my friendship with this guy a long time ago, but I don't know what happened. Something just happened that we are still friends, because something happened back. Don't worry. During my story time on this channel, I will tell you everything. I will go in detail. I will show you our chart. I will show you everything. I'll go in detail on this journey. So now, what is forex? Let's start. Now, forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. I wrote down here that the forex trader exchange currencies on the foreign exchange market. So simply put, buy and sell. Yeah. So those are the 2 things that happen in the foreign exchange world. You buy and you sell a particular currency. So you buy a currency or you sell a currency. Now the forex market is open and active 24 hours a day. Now this time frame I wrote down here is based on the country where I am from, Nigeria. So the market opens Sunday by 10 p.m. and closes Friday by 10 p.m. So most people will say that Forex operates 24 hours, 5 days a week, Mondays to Fridays, but it's just like that. Now, Forex is actually the largest market in the world. On an average trading day, the Forex market trades about $5 trillion. Most online resource will tell you $5.4 trillion, and the figure is still going up and still going up. That is to tell you how much is traded in the foreign exchange market on a daily basis. There are a lot of things that go on the foreign exchange market, where we have the retail market traders, where we have the institutions, we have a lot of things going on in the foreign exchange market. Now, Forex is traded in pairs. We have the GBP, JPY, British pound, Japanese yen, we have the euro dollar, we have the US dollar, we have the GBP, we have the USD. Now, what I am trying to make you understand here is that you cannot just trade a particular currency on its own. It's not a commodity like gold and other things. So you cannot trade a particular currency on its own. You have to trade it in pair. So it's either you are saying that the British pound is gaining more momentum than the Japanese yen, or that shows that you are going to be buying, or you're saying that the Japanese yen is gaining more momentum than the British pound, meaning that you're going to be what? You are going to be selling. So it depends on the concept, it depends on the side you are taking. So that is what it means. So when you say Euro USD, either the Euro dollar is gaining more momentum than the US dollar, it's a choice. So you have to understand what is really behind that choice. That is what informs your trading decision. Now, first currency in a pair is the base currency. This currency you are seeing here is the base currency, while the second currency is known as the quote currency. Now, I wrote down here, I said that you take note. Every base currency pair always has a value equals to 1. The quote pair is always the value compared to the base currency. The base pair is always the currency being compared to, and it's equal to 1. That is this base pair. It's always the currency being compared to, and it's equal to 1. Now, the reason why currencies are in pairs is that you cannot value or price a currency unless it's compared to another currency. And it's true, just like what I said before. You cannot know the value of a currency unless you compare it to another currency. In some countries, the euro is greater than the USD. Like in my country, we respect the USD. We respect the British pound, because why? To be honest, the Nigerian currency does not really have much value with respect to those currencies that I mentioned. But there could be some countries whereby my currency, the Nigerian naira, has greater value than those currencies. But currently in my country, the British pound has greater value than Nigerian naira. The US dollar has greater value than Nigerian naira. So that is what I'm trying to say. When you are comparing a currency to another currency, you have to check. That is when you are knowing the value. That's when you are looking at the value of that currency. So you must compare two currencies to better understand a value. Now, Forex is traded through a Forex broker. This is very, very important. You need a Forex broker before you can trade Forex. I have not opened any account with a Forex broker now on this my journey, but I've had accounts in the past. But like I told you guys, I am solely on this journey. So everything that I've had in the past before, I just kept it in the past, and I'm working solely on this journey. So the time will come where I'm going to let you in on the Forex broker I've opened with, and probably if you want to register and all that, I will tell you why I chose that Forex broker and why you should register with them and all that. So the time will come for that. Now, according to Samuel Morton, this was what Samuel Morton wrote down. He said Forex trading can be a dream career because he himself has been trading Forex. I think this year will make it the 11th year he has been trading Forex now as a professional. So you can check up his channel. Forex trading is exciting, and it's the truth. I have seen this from different Forex traders. Forex trading is exciting. I've seen this from different Forex traders, not just Samuel Morton. I've observed different Forex traders and I have seen their journey. I've seen their lifestyle. Let's leave the lifestyle out of it. The real professional Forex trader will tell you that looking at the chart on a daily basis, to be honest, they have different eyes. As they see different things, it's really interesting. It's just like you trying to eat something. It's something that you have taken out time to study, and you are already a professional in it. So that is where I look to be, or I hope to be in the next coming months or years. And I'm very sure I will achieve that. I don't know about you, but I hope you also have a dream. I hope you also have a vision. I hope you also have a goal that you want to achieve. And I also hope that you also achieve that. Now, currency pair. We have major currency pairs. We have the Euro USD, we have the GBP USD, we have the USD JPY, we have the AUD USD, and we have the USD CHF. Now, you must understand what each three-letter word, each currency represents. Look at the table below for better explanation. So I'm just walking you through. There are some things I will skip though, but I'm just walking you through this because I'm going to link this. I will try as much as possible to link this particular summary in the description below so that you can go through it. If anybody seeing this in the next months or years, you can go through it. It would still be of value, I believe so, because it's my Forex study. And please, anywhere you do not understand, you can ask a question in the comment section. Just ask your question in the comment section. I will do my best to answer it, or somebody in the comment section can look at your question and answer it for you, or I will give you resources that can help you or guide you in understanding that particular question. It will help. Just ask your question in the comment section. Anytime you are watching this video, ask your question. Now, symbol. We have the AUD. AUD stands, the country whereby AUD operates in is Australia, and it's known as the Australian dollar. This is known as the Australian dollar. That's why you have the currency dollar and the nickname in the Forex market. Because most of the times you'll be hearing this nickname. I have heard about buck a lot. So you'll be hearing this nickname in the Forex market a lot of time. So the nickname for AUD is Aussie. And we have the Canadian dollar. Canada is a country where the Canadian dollar serves as the currency dollar, and it's called loonie, and so on and so forth. You can go through it. Now, Euro USD is the most popular currency in the Forex market. It's the truth. It's the most popular because it's always the euro over the US dollar. So it's the most popular currency in the Forex market. Now, what is a pip? Now, this is a concept you must understand. Please, you must understand this concept. I don't know I'm going to drive this to your head, but you must understand this concept. A pip is basically what you are going to be using or what you are going to be trading with. As the market moves, the market is moving in pips. The market is moving in pips. It's moving from one pip to another pip. If it's going up, it's moving from a pip to another pip up. If it's going down, it's moving from a pip to another pip down. The market moves in pip, and a pip is the smallest amount of movement we can see in a currency pair. I don't know if you're getting me. That actually matters to us whenever we are placing orders. A pip is how we make profit or get stopped out. That is the truth about pip. That's why you'll be hearing this term. I am trading currently at, or I am in profit at about 100 pips. I am in profit on about 20 pips or 30 pips, or I'm in loss on about 40 pips. That is how the market moves. That is the right term. Because don't forget that in every market, in every skill you are learning, there are terminologies that you use in such markets. So in the Forex market, when you hear the word pips, don't be surprised. PIPS. And you can see that I wrote what is a pip, non-JPY, because a pip is different for JPY. I will try and make you understand this. Now, for every currency pair that doesn't have JPY in it, the fourth decimal place is what is known as 1 pip. Is what is known as 1 pip. Now let us go further. Let me see if I had an illustration here. Okay, now let me just explain with this. Let me just explain with this. Take for example now. Let's look at this together. Let me explain with this. Okay, now take for example now you have Euro USD, and currently the market is at the market price is at 1.1075. Are you getting this? This is what the market will be with. Don't forget that there is most time on the chart you will see something like this, a small this like that. That does not really matter. It's not really significant. I think they call it half pip or so, half pip or something like that, but it's not really significant in the market. Let me show you something. Let me try and make this big so that you can better see what I'm talking about. Okay, Now what I'm trying to say is that in the foreign exchange markets, let me just spray this. Let me spray this. Now this is the price 1.1075, right? Assuming this is the current price for the market, and don't forget that this price can change anytime, so it can be changing. So let me show you something. 75. Okay. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I want to try and explain something here now. Now, let me try and do something. I want to explain something to you, so I can fully understand what this PIP stands for. Okay. Now look at this carefully. Now I said here that the fourth decimal place is what is known as 1 pip. This is the fourth decimal. This is first decimal. Let me reduce this. This is first decimal place. Let me reduce this. This is first decimal place. This is second decimal place. This is third decimal place, and this is fourth decimal place. Decimal place. This is decimal place. So this is number 5. Now the fourth decimal place is known as what? 1 pip. It's referred to as 1 pip. You can get. Now this is referred to as, just like you saying this is 1000. This is, sorry, okay, this is units. This is tens. This is 100, and this is 1000. Let me reduce this so that you better understand what I'm talking about. Okay, I hope you can see this, please. Now I just hope you can see this. I will try to make sure you can see it. Okay, now 100, 10, and whatever. Now assuming the market moves to this point, now assuming the market moves to 1.1076 in the, that's, so the market has moved to the upside, right? The market has moved to the upside by 1 pip, judging by what you are seeing here. If this market changes to 1077, it has moved by 2 pips. Assuming you entered at this market price, assuming you entered the market at this market price of 1.1075, and the market moves to the upside, assume that's irrespective of whatever you want to enter the market in, whether for a buy or for a sell, and the market, so let's assume you enter the market on a buy, and the market moves to the upside and is currently at 1.1077, the market has moved by 2 pips. Now if the market moves, let's say the market moves by 1.1085, maybe in the next 20 minutes, you will say that the market has moved by 10 pips. Because why? This 7 has changed to what? 8. If here changes to 9, you can say that the market has moved by 20 pips. Now if here changes to, if this particular figure changes to 1, you will say that the market has moved by 100 pips. I don't know if you are getting it. So the market has moved by 100 pips. If here changes to 4, the market has moved by 400 pips. So if, for example, now the market is not going against you and is going to the downside or whatever the case may be, and maybe you placed in for a buy, and currently the market is in 1065, this is a downside, you will say that the market has moved against you to the downside by 10 pips. So you are currently 10 pips in loss. That is what it means. So that is that. I just hope you understand what I mean by that. So currently this is what? 10 pips. For this, I'm assuming that this is the price range you enter the market in. I'm assuming that. So either you choose a buy or a sell. If you choose a buy, you will be in the upside with about 10 pips, and so on and so forth. So let's go back to our training. Now that is for what is a pip non-JPY. Now this is what is a pip JPY. For every currency that has JPY, it's the second number after the decimal place is what is known as 1 pip. Now let me explain this. Now. Every currency that, so for example, let's say you're having, USD JPY. Okay, so take for example now I have USD JPY now, and I maybe 110. The market is currently reading at 110.75, for example. What this simply means is this. Look at this. Let's look at this together. What this simply means is this. 110 0.75. I might not explain everything in this video because I don't want this video to be too long. I will just stop here, or I'll just go a little bit so that I will just show you something. I just want you to understand something. Then I will attach this particular file in the video below, or in the description. I will attach this particular file in the description below so that you can study on your own. If you have any question, please ask, and I will give you an answer, or I'll point you in the right direction on how you can better understand it. Now, for example, USD JPY. Now check the price of USD JPY. Okay, now just look at this for example. Now what I simply mean is that the second number after decimal place is what is known as 1 pip. Now this number here is what is known as 1 pip. So this number here. So if the market moves in 110.76, it has moved by 1 pip. This one is known as the what? The 10. That is 10. So if the market moves to 1.085, the market has moved to the upside by 10 pips. If this one changes to 1, sorry, here's my question. If this one changes to 1, that means, okay, let's leave this one 8. That means the market has moved to the upside by 110 pips. By 110 pips. That is what it means. By the time we get into trading, we will begin to understand all these concepts very well. So I am going to attach this below in the description below so that you can go through it by yourself and better understand it. Now, but before that, let me just explain something to you now. Why trade Forex? I really want us to look at this. Why trade Forex? You can trade Forex as a career. You can trade Forex to earn a significant income. You can trade Forex because it allows you to work from home. You can trade Forex because you want to be your own boss. But I want to say something here. I advise you to do this. Before you trade Forex, please and please, or before you go into any skill at all to learn or to make money from, have a why. Have a strong why. Have a reason why you are going into that skill. In my story, I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I'm going into this particular skill. Have a reason. Have a strong why. Because it's that strong why that will keep you going. It's that strong why that will keep you going. I say it again. It's that strong why that will keep you going. Because you're going to face different obstacles. You're going to face different issues along the way. But it's your why that will keep you going. I will stop here for now. Maybe in another video I will explain better. Now, how do you trade Forex? Forex can only be traded using a Forex broker. All these are by Samuel Martin. And you trade Forex, you must have a stop loss. A good trader must have a stop loss. You must have a take profit. I know that yes, you will get to see a lot of professional traders telling you that there's no need for stop loss. But let's just come to our own baby steps. As a beginner Forex trader, please and please, when you enter the market with a stop loss and a take profit. Please and please, enter the market with a stop loss and a take profit. You are not the market. You're only just there to do your analysis, to predict the market, to predict how the market would go. The market can go against you. For proper risk management, it's good you have a stop loss set, excepting if you are stuck in the trade. If you are going to be on the trade, you are watching the chart 24/7, or you're watching the chart 16/7, or you are watching the chart just throughout the day or for some hours in the day. Maybe you are a scalper, maybe you are a day trader or whatever, but maybe you're just going to be watching the chart. If not, you can decide not to put a stop loss. But I advise, when you start trading, put a stop loss. How do you trade Forex successfully? Successful trading is about predicting where future price is going to be. And you can trade Forex via fundamental analysis, via technical analysis. And there's a new one that most people they call it sentimental analysis. That is a combination of fundamental and technical analysis. So it's just like that. But in this particular trading, I'm going to go through the route of a technical analyst to become a technical analyst. But fundamental analysis still plays a great role in trading Forex. Now, Forex markets are driven by news. Interest rates, inflation, political move, etc. A lot of things drive the Forex market, and this can have an impact on Forex. It can have an impact on Forex. So I'm going to stop here for this explanation, and I'm going to link this particular guide, like I said, in the description below so that you can study by yourself. This is just for week 2. Anywhere you have question, I will explain. In the forthcoming week, I am going to go into proper study on my Forex journey, proper study in terms of looking at the charts, because the course my guy sent to me, there was no basics for Forex, no basics for Forex at all. So it's assumed that you already know the basics for Forex. So it's just going, it's still beginner stage, but it's going a little bit above that. So I will start with that in my subsequent week. Now, I promised, like in my first video, I said that I will be sharing with you my motivational videos for the week, the video I went through, the guides I listened to for the week, and I'm going to share with you in this particular video a particular video I listened to during this past week, and it was from this great Forex trader, Lesiba Motupi. He's a South African Forex trader. But there's something about this guy that I really love, and I am subscribed to his channel. He's among the Forex traders I follow. So I'm going to, this was the video I watched from him. I nearly gave up Forex trading, and this happened. Emotional. Okay, so let me just try and explain to you what he was trying to talk about in this video. So in this particular video, he was trying to share with us, or share with me, or whoever was watching this video at this time, his journey in Forex. Like, he would have given up on Forex, he would have given up on this journey, but he kept on going because why? He had a strong why. He had a strong reason why he was trading Forex. Now, he has been trading Forex for the past 2 to 3 years now, and currently is the CEO of Forex Chaser. That's his company in South Africa, and he's changing lives. So let me just give you a summary of what happened. I would advise you watch this video. Take out time to watch this video. I will link this particular video in the description box below so that you can take out time to watch it. I would advise you do so. Now, what we're trying to talk about here was that he placed 4 trades limits. There's what we call buy limit and sell limit. So he placed limit on 4 different currency, commodities and currencies. So he placed limit on gold, he placed limit on GBP, JPY, he placed limit on DAX, and he placed limit on that particular currency. I can't really remember the name right now. Now, what happened was that 3 of the currencies, they didn't get activated. So he missed activation by 2 to 3 pips on those currencies. On those currencies. But the currency that got activated was GBP, JPY. And it got activated but went against him. So his prediction for that particular market did not go as planned. So the market went against him and he lost money. So when he came back online and he saw that he was really devastated, he was really depressed, he felt discouraged, and he was like, wow. So because assuming those 3 markets or those 3 currencies that had activated, he would have been in profit, like mad profit. He would have been in profit, and those profits would have covered for the loss he had in GBP, JPY. But he did not give up. What he did was that he went to his phone, he started just chatting with some of his students, and he was getting great comments. He was getting comments like, thank you so much, Lesiba, for putting me through Forex. Thank you so much for your course. Right now I can see the chart differently, I can understand the chart better. So when he saw those comments, he was like, wow, so really people are really gaining something. So currently I am feeling bad, but people are happy for what I have done. So I'll keep on going, I'll keep on moving forward, I'll keep on marching, I will not give up, I cannot relent on this journey. And that was its drive. So he went back to the chart, look at what he did wrong, and fixed it up. So that is it. There was even a time whereby he mentioned in the video how he was trading aggressively at a particular time. He wanted to make so much money at a particular time, so he just went into trading aggressively on Forex, and he lost so much money at that period. He lost so much money. He almost went to ground zero. Right now he had the knowledge in Forex, but he was no longer having the capital. But luckily he was able to do some things, and it came back for him in his favor. So he has learned a lot, and he shares his story on his channel. I'm going to link this particular video in the comment section below. I would have wanted you to watch through this video right now, but
so even also the page that I went through, that was like, it gave me all the, have you ever seen like when,
but because of time, I'm going to link in the description below, because this video is already getting too long. But that was that for this. So with that, I've come to the end of this video, and I want to thank you so very much for watching to this particular point. I want to thank you so much for staying true from the beginning to the end. I want to thank you all so much. You have been so great. I do not know the time you'll be watching this video. Maybe it will be 3-4 months after I've uploaded this video on this channel. But like I said, I'm not promoting anything on my channel. I'm just dishing out the videos. I want my future self, I want to look at myself in the future and see how I have improved, or the journey I've gone through. So I'm not promoting for now until when I'm done with this journey, and I pray that the YouTube algorithm should pick up this video or any of my videos at a particular time, and when it does that, probably you begin to see my videos, and you begin to drop your comment and your like. Please and please, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, I would advise you subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. I release video every week, walking you through my journey. Today is the 19th of February 2021. by the 20th, which is tomorrow, or 21st, I'm going to upload this particular video on my channel, and next week again, 27th or 28th, I'm going to upload another video. It's not really easy for me, but like I said, I'm being disciplined on this, and I'm going to surely achieve greatness on this. Like I said, my friend really shared a course with me, shared a great course with me, which I'm going to study, and he told me something. He said, go through. I want to tell you something really straightforward. By the time you go through this course I've shared with you, it's going to give you an eye into the forex market. It's going to give you an eye into reading the chart, but you might read it differently than the way I read it. But in all, the way you understand it might be different from that person's understanding. But in all, if you're able to get the bigger picture, if you're able to get it right, though it's not promising, you can't promise anybody anything in forex. But he told me that if you're able to be diligent, he said if you're able to be diligent, let go of distractions, just be patient with the game, keep on going, that you will surely get there. So I'm going to share that story with you sometime in this channel. I'm going to share the story of how I met this my friend, how we became so close and all that. So that is basically it. So please and please, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram account, I would advise you to do so. Please, Learn Forex with God is my Instagram account name. On Twitter is Learn Forex with God. So please and please do follow. We appreciate that. So that is it for this video. I'm going to link all my resources in the description box below. Everything I've mentioned in this video, I'm going to link it in the description box below. So I wish you all the very best in the forthcoming week ahead. Do stay safe, and please study something, improve on yourself, improve on your skill. Just be better. Just try to be better than something. Just try to improve on yourself. It's going to help you a lot. So please, like I said, if this is your first time of joining this channel or watching my videos, I would advise you watch the first video before watching this one, and also subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Drop a comment. I will do my best to answer it anytime. I will answer your question. If I can't answer it, I believe somebody in the comment section will be able to answer your question for you. So thank you so very much for taking out your time to watch this video. I wish you all the very best in the forthcoming week ahead. We'll see you again next week, hopefully. Do take care of yourself. Thank you.